Hello guys, in this video, I will show you how to use LUTs in OBS Studio. First, open your browser and download some LUTs. Search for pre-LUTs on Google and open the first website. You will find lots of pre-LUTs there. So select the one you like and click the download button. If it's your first time using the website, you will need to sign up before downloading. Once you have downloaded the files, open the folder where OBS Studio is installed. For me, it's in Programs Files and OBS Studio. Then open the Data folder and OBS Plugin folder. Next, open the OBS Filter folder and you will see the LUTs folder. Copy or drag all of your downloaded LUTs files into this folder. Now open OBS Studio and right click on your source. Then add filters and add LUTs filter. After that, click Browse, select the LUTs you have downloaded, and that's it. Your LUTs is now applied and ready to use. I hope this video helped you. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.